Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a WordPress plugin with ChatGPT. Follow these step-by-step actions to set up your plugin structure, register hooks, and integrate ChatGPT via API calls. Start by creating a plugin folder and main PHP file, then enqueue scripts and styles. Next, add admin settings for API keys and safe prompts. Implement AJAX endpoints to send prompts securely and display responses. Test locally, handle errors, and prepare for deployment with proper sanitation and licensing. Let me walk you through core code patterns and security best practices for a ChatGPT-powered plugin. Use nonces and capability checks to prevent unauthorized access. Store API keys in WP options with auto-load false and avoid hardcoding secrets. Use WP Remote Post with proper timeouts when calling OpenAI endpoints and sanitize all responses before output. Implement rate limiting and caching to save costs. Finally, document each function and maintain readable, testable code for future updates and audits. Quick recommendation: if you need reliable gear between coding sessions, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability. They keep your feet happy during long debugging marathons and surprisingly improve morale. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future plugin guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover user interface, testing, and performance tuning for your plugin. Build a simple admin page with React or plain JS for prompts and responses. Add spinner states, error messages, and character limits to improve UX. Write unit tests for core PHP functions and integration tests for API flows. Use object caching and transient storage for repeated queries to reduce API calls. Tag releases, create README, and verify compatibility with major WordPress versions before release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.